Buying a home is exciting, whether it is your first time or your latest move. You have most likely worked with a realtor, a lender, a home inspector, and a title company, but there is one more call you should make: your estate planning attorney. Ensuring that your new home is properly integrated into your estate plan can protect your assets, which can include your home, savings, investments, and other property, and make life easier for your loved ones if something unexpected happens to you. If this is your first home, you may not yet have an estate plan. A home is often your most significant asset, so taking steps to protect it now is critical. Even a simple plan can help by naming someone you trust to handle financial and medical decisions if you are unable to do so, deciding who should inherit your home and other assets, and ensuring that your documents are valid in your state. Putting these elements in place early provides your loved ones with clear guidance and reduces the administrative burden they may face in the future. Your attorney can review your home purchase documents alongside your existing estate plan to ensure they align. If your existing estate plan currently includes a trust funded with your other assets, your new home should also be titled in the trust's name. Doing this ensures that your trust provisions address what happens to your property if you become incapacitated or unable to manage your affairs or pass away. Properly aligning your property ownership with your estate plan also ensures that the plan works as intended. Otherwise, your heirs may face confusion, delays, or legal complications when managing or selling your property. Taking this step now gives your loved ones clear instructions and reduces the stress of handling your estate later. Even if you do not have a trust, your attorney can help ensure that your new home and other assets are accounted for in your will and that ownership transfer is efficiently structured in the way you want. For example, in Michigan, a home can be left to someone through a ladybird deed. When you pass away, the home is transferred to the person you listed in the ladybird deed. A home purchase is a major life event and accomplishment and presents the perfect time to review your estate plan. When doing so, you should consider the individuals you have named in key decision-making roles. A personal representative, commonly known as the executor, is the person who manages your estate after your death and ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. If you have a trust, you will most likely serve as the trustee of your trust during your lifetime. If you become incapacitated and cannot manage your affairs, your successor or backup trustee will manage your trust assets for your benefit during your lifetime and for the benefit of your beneficiaries when you pass away. An agent under a power of attorney is authorized to make financial or medical decisions on your behalf if you are unable to do so. Life changes, and the people you originally chose as your decision makers may have moved away, died, or experienced changes that make them less available to serve in their roles. Updating these key appointments protects your loved ones by ensuring that the right people are in place to act quickly and effectively when needed. It is also important that you review your existing plan for distributing your assets. Do you still want them distributed the same way? Have your beneficiaries' needs changed over time? Clear instructions reduce the risk of confusion or disputes among heirs and help them honor your wishes without unnecessary stress or delays. If your new home is in a different state, consulting with a local estate planning attorney is especially important. Estate and trust laws vary by state, and documents drafted in your previous state may not provide the same protection. If you have a trust, you will also likely need local counsel to help facilitate the transfer of your new property into your trust. Buying a new home is an exciting milestone and the perfect time to ensure that your estate plan is up to date. I'm Colleen Fries, owner of Fries Legal Services, a virtual and mobile law office in Michigan. I help clients prepare for long-term care and create an individualized plan to transfer assets when they pass. During this process, I review your documents, discuss your new property, and ensure that your new home and other assets will go to your intended heirs. Planning ahead gives you peace of mind and helps safeguard your loved ones from later confusion, delays, and disputes. If you like this content, please like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates on long-term care and estate planning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.